In today's video, I'm going to teach you all about finding your OneDrive on your laptop or desktop. Whether you're new to OneDrive or just need a little refresher on how to locate it, you're in the right place. We'll walk through the steps together in a way that's easy to follow and understand. So let's dive in. First things first, OneDrive is a cloud storage service from Microsoft that allows you to store files securely online and access them from anywhere. It's incredibly useful for saving documents, photos, and more, ensuring that your files are accessible whether you're at home, in the office, or on the go. Now, to access your OneDrive on a Windows laptop or desktop, you'll start by searching for it directly from your system. Here's how. Begin by looking for the search function on your taskbar. It might appear as a magnifying glass icon or simply a search box where you can type. This search bar is your gateway to finding practically anything on your computer, including applications like OneDrive. Once you've located the search function, click on it to bring up the search bar where you'll type in OneDrive. This step is very straightforward, just spell it out. Onedrive. There's nothing complicated here, and you don't need to worry about capitalization. The search function is designed to be user-friendly and will help guide you to the right application, even if you make a minor typo. Upon typing OneDrive into the search bar, you'll see the app show up in the search results. The icon usually looks like two blue clouds. It's quite distinctive, so you can't miss it. If for any reason you're having trouble spotting it, remember the icon you're looking for represents cloud storage, which is fittingly symbolized by clouds. Now, click on the OneDrive app from the search results. This action will launch the OneDrive application on your computer. If it's your first time using it, you might be prompted to sign in. Use your Microsoft account credentials for this step. If you don't already have a Microsoft account, you'll be given the option to create one. This account isn't just your key to accessing OneDrive, it also connects you to a suite of Microsoft services like Outlook, Office, and Skype. Once you've clicked on the OneDrive app and completed the sign-in process, you'll be taken to the main interface of OneDrive. Here you can view your files and folders that are stored in the cloud. You can easily upload new files, create new folders, and manage your existing data. OneDrive integrates seamlessly with Windows, so you can also save directly to OneDrive from other applications like Word and Excel, making your workflow smooth and efficient. And that's all there is to it. You've successfully located and accessed your OneDrive on your laptop or desktop. It's really that simple. Remember, the key to finding and using OneDrive effectively is knowing where to look and understanding the basic steps to access it. Before we wrap up, here are a couple of tips to make your OneDrive experience even better. First, consider pinning OneDrive to your taskbar or start menu for easier access in the future. You can do this by right-clicking on the OneDrive icon when you find it in the search results and then select Pin to Taskbar or Pin to Start. This way it will be just a click away whenever you need it. Second, take some time to explore OneDrive's settings and features. There are plenty of options to customize your cloud storage experience, including setting up automatic photo and video uploads from your phone, choosing which folders to sync with your PC, and even sharing files and folders with friends, family, or colleagues for collaboration. There you have it. Finding and accessing your OneDrive can be done in just a few simple steps. Whether you're backing up important files, sharing documents with team members, or just keeping your photos safe and accessible from anywhere, OneDrive makes it easy and secure. Thank you for joining me today. I hope this guide has been helpful. Stay tuned for more helpful tips and tricks to make the most out of your digital experience. Happy storing!